Sinsinan ba yung usapan nyo leading up to this game or may ano pa rin, may sense na confidence nandun pa rin?
Yeah, with a combination of sense of urgency and also confidence with my players. Alam ko naman na dadaan ka to ganito because on the last 3 games we will face an elite teams, top teams, and besides we need to also adjust with the will. So alam ko dadaan kami sa ganitong situation, and sana lang, sabi ko lang, sana when the playoffs start, at least medyo maganda na yung chemistry, and medyo, yun nga, sabi ko kay Apple kanina, gumaganda na yung chemistry, practices, we do some stuff na inside and outside the court na ginagawa namin para maging maganda yung chemistry ng team. And medyo maganda yung contribution ni Will ngayon, plus the fact that other players also step up, especially this guy. And yun, siguro we will be ready for the playoffs kahit na sino yung makalaban namin. Yun naman yung goal namin. Go to the playoffs, and then anybody's ball game for the return.
What's your thoughts on 75% chance of facing PNP again?
Yeah, I mean, hindi naman kami pwedeng mamili ng kalaban eh. From the number 8 Meralco, a defending champion, number 7, I don't know kung sino it might be, Converge or Coventex, hindi rin kami pwedeng mamili. I mean, all of them are capable of winning title. So, wala kang pagpipilian dito. So, all you need to do is prepare, and then hopefully, ganito, magkaroon kami ng chance sa dulo. And yun lang naman ang 50-50 chance against this team. So, walang ditong advantage, I think.